Hey, for today's tutorial I am going to be showing you guys how to achieve those gorgeous beach waves along with some really pretty braids and twists. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just start to place my extensions. Now these are the 20-inch pale ash blonde cashmere hair extensions. My absolute fave. These are the ones that I use every single day. So as you can see, I'm just going to start dividing my hair and placing in the 3 larger wefts. Once I have my extensions in the 3 larger wefts, I'm just going to run through quickly with a brush and just get out any of the tangles and make my natural hair flow with the extensions really seamlessly. Next thing I'm going to do is place these smaller wefts in. I'm going to be stacking one on top of the other here, and as you can see, I'm leaving about 1.5 inches of room from like the front of my face to where they actually are. This is going to help really allow them to blend in and not be sticking out or poking out, you know, in weird spots when I'm doing my braids. Now the reason that I'm going to be placing 2 here is just because I'm going to be doing the braids and the twists in that section. So as you can see, it gives me so much more volume to work with, which is what I really wanted. Next thing I'm going to be doing is creating an even deeper side part here. I just really liked how this looked for this hairstyle, so that's why I did that. Next thing here is I am just creating these sections. Now I'm going to be doing 1 braid and then 1 kind of twist. So I'm just sectioning out my hair and starting the braid first. So I'm doing a Dutch braid here, and Dutch braid just basically means you're placing these strands underneath each other. And that really just gives it a really textured look and is really fun to pull apart at the end. I'll stop braiding once I kind of get to the back of my head where I'm going to be tying it off, and then I'll just start pulling apart that braid. Now, like I said, a Dutch braid just gives you a really beautiful chunky braid, especially when you pull it out. So this is a vital step of the hairstyle. I'll just tie that off with a clear elastic just to kind of hold it in place while I start doing the twist. Now for the twist, the key to this is keeping your 2 pieces separate. If you start to mend them together, it's just not going to have that, you know, kind of separated, twisted look. It's going to more just all blend into each other. So keep your pieces separate and just twist them around each other. And then I'm going to do the same exact thing with that twist, which is just pulling out pieces, making it a little bit more voluptuous and a little bit piecier. And then I will tie it all in the back. You can see pulling out the pieces from the twist really just makes that come alive. I love how it looks so much. So now I'll just take out the elastic that I had the braid holding in place with. I put them together, make sure that they're flowing well, nicely together. I don't have any large gaps or anything like that. I'm just going to take a piece from the other side and twist it around my finger and then meet the 2 in the middle and tie it off with a clear elastic. And then we're going to be starting the curls. So I'm using a 1 1/4 inch barrel here. You could totally use, you know, just a 1 inch if you want a little bit tighter curls. I'm going for more of the beachy wave, effortless look here. So that's why I went just a little bit bigger, but not too big, so it's still holding the curl. So all I'm going to be doing is just taking pieces. As you can see, this is really not uniform, which is kind of the purpose here. So I'm just literally grabbing pieces. They don't have to be perfect. I'm curling them away from my face, and some of them I'll wrap around the barrel like I'm doing here, and then others I'll do more of the traditional curl. So just by kind of making these variations, it's just going to give your hair that overall more beachy look, not so uniform, but still really beautiful. course, I run through and do the other side, and then once I am happy with the way that it's looking, I'll just start to run my fingers through those curls, shake them out, scrunch them with my hands, give them some more texture, and really give it some more volume. This is where you would add in your texture spray or a hairspray. And there you have it, you guys. There are your braids and twists and beach waves, and I just absolutely love this style. It's a great one when you want to wear your hair down, but you also want your hair out of your face. So I hope that you guys will give it a try, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!